Hello friends, I am Pooja. Today I am discuss about how to learn everything faster. It's not too difficult to learn how to memorize fast and easily if you use the right strategy, that is. But most people don't use the right strategy. In fact, most people don't use any strategy. They use a few tactics that don't work very well. So let me be straight with you. If you have been using flashcards or repetition to try to drill things into your brain, you are making things difficult for yourself. It's time to work. It's time to work smarter, not harder. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Here's the things. Your mind is a supercar that you have not figured out how to drive it. With practice, you can learn how to memorize anything, whether it's a new language, speech, or answers to an upcoming exams. And learning how to memorize fast does not have to suck, either it can even be fun. For real, this guide will show you how to memorize fast and easily the smart way. And learn everything faster through 9 tricks. First trick, first trick is break down difficult skills into smaller ones. Second, focus on one sub-skills at a time. Celebrate your mistakes and learn from them. Shorter periods of study every day instead of a long one every week. Monitor your progress and recognize yourself. Quiz yourself, teach other people, and apply 80 by 20 rule. Means 20% efforts and 80% results gaining. Create a learning rituals, that techniques, that tricks use, and everything learn faster. Thanks for watching this video.